So let me show you how to adjust the vibration intensity and pattern on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So simply go to settings, and the easiest way is to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. And then under settings, scroll down to sounds and vibration, tap on that. And then you want to go down to vibration, tap on that. And then you can choose the vibration duration first. So do you want long or short vibrations? Okay. Then you can scroll down and choose the intensity. Okay. So you can have light vibration, which is basically at the lowest intensity, or you can have strong vibration. So if you find that strong vibration is too much for you, you can set it to light. If you're missing all your notifications because it's too light, you can set it to strong. All right. Now, once you do that, you can go back one step. That's going to adjust the length and intensity. Now, to change the pattern, you can simply come here to call vibration, and then you can have a different pattern. So as you scroll and tap on different patterns, you can actually feel the watch vibrate in your hands, and you can pick the pattern you want it to vibrate in. Okay. And once you choose the one you want, just hit the back button, and that's going to be a new vibration pattern on the Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.